Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is now Mom and Angel TV. You are all welcome. So guys, today I just still come say most still rub our mind, most still talk, still make ourselves look good. So I want to talk about cream. And the cream when I want to talk about, if you use them, you go see difference for your skin. Okay, you will look beautiful. And people around you go, they ask you, say, what is the secret? Understand? Now, what are they use? So now I say, I still show now, must still rub mind. And definitely, I know soon I will get interest for the cream. But before they show now the cream, I beg, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn your notification bell. So immediately they put my video, you will see them first, okay? So the cream when I want to talk about, so now every this, okay? The cream just comes so. The lady posted out to me from so now the cream be this one. She posted and can't give me for house, okay? If you need this cream, just comment down my video. I will give you her number. And she also did Facebook. If you need her, just write her under this video. I go answer you immediately, okay? I'll answer you. So the cream, now different type. You get the one for black person, for fair person, for white person. She gets different type. She gets white, even white now. If you want white now, as in you want white now, she get the cream. If you want fair, she get the cream. If you want see like you want make your chocolate come out, your chocolate color, me as in you go the glow, your skin will come out. She also gets her, okay? And I also write her name, the name of her Facebook for either this side or that of my video, okay? So just follow her on Facebook, and then if you need her number, comment, okay? So this is the cream. Just coming, okay? Is it? Cream is just coming full set. She have the full set of the cream. Is it? Cream is just coming now, okay? If you want to look beautiful, just contact her. Is the cream. You can see it's full set. She have the cream and she have the oil. This is the oil. This is the face cream. And this is the cleanser. She have cleanser. She also have the black soap. She have the black soap. This is the black soap. And she have the face soap. She have also scrub. It's together. Everything there together. Okay? It's not that expensive. Not that expensive. If you just call her, two of them will talk. And then she go, una will agree, she go post am to you anywhere you did. She dey post to Germany, to France, to London, anywhere where you did. You want buy organic cream, like organic, full set, original one. Just contact her, okay? Comment under my video. I go answer you immediately, okay? Just let me know, because I want to make you fine. The way me self define, so okay, the way they glow, so you can see my color. Other, they show for my body. So just try, and then you let me know how it be, okay? Thank you for watching this video. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification button, and then also share, also like the video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys. And then, bye. Love you.